Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you a prefab home company that's shipping across the United States and Canada. You know, there are days I spend a lot of time on the line looking for something to talk about, but this is the first time that one fell directly in my lap. Let me explain. A couple weeks back I checked my mail, and to my delight I received a flyer from a company located not that far from where I live, building tiny homes and modulars and shipping them across North America. Making my job easy. If you're wondering who I'm talking about, it's Mint Tiny House Company with their line of modern prefab homes. Mint Tiny House Company is a builder located in Vancouver, BC, and they regularly ship across the United States and Canada. Newsflash, this is not a new company. I've seen the billboards on the highway for years now, but didn't pay much attention because I thought their primary focus was tiny homes on wheels. An interesting topic, but not one that I spend a lot of time on. It wasn't until I got the mailer that I decided to give things another look, and I'm not 100% on the timeline, but they've added modulars to their available products, and I think it was recently. A bit of background info on Mint. Again, they are not a new builder. They've been building tiny houses and park models since 2014, and it's noted that their journey started with a simple vision: to infuse the coziness of a traditional home into the convenience of a travel trailer, creating spaces where dreams could thrive. Obviously, the addition of modulars changes things a little bit because they'll be fixed in place, which really isn't anything like the convenience of a travel trailer at all. But that's where their journey started. They're further along that journey now. This would be a great place for a joke. This is a trend that I've noticed lately. Tiny home companies adding modulars to their offering. Think Wind River, think West Coast Homes. And I think it's a result of regulatory changes allowing ADUs in more areas. I say that because it's noted right on the modular section of their website. It says the timing is perfect. Take advantage of the new BC zoning laws. New zoning in BC means local governments across the province are revising their land use regulations to permit a minimum of 1 to 6 units of housing on lots formerly recognized as single family or duplex lots. Similar revisions are happening all across North America because density has been identified as one solution that could improve the housing situation. I should note that it's clear that Mint delivers their tiny homes into and all across the United States, but it isn't clear whether or not they've made that jump with their modulars just yet. Under the modular section of the Mint website, it says that they're a fully certified local BC builder and that their ADUs are built to the BC building code. Even if they aren't available in the United States right this second, I don't think it'll be long because they have experience in that market and they're basically straddling the border. If you want to get your hands on anything from Mint, they've broken the process down into 4 steps. Step 1 is discover your needs. Step 2 is tailored layout and financing. Step 3 is secure and finalize. And step 4 is site prep and delivery. All told, it says they can get one of these things built in 6 to 8 weeks. They aren't kidding when they say pretty darn fast. Right now, Mint offers the tiny home line and the modular line. Since the modular line appears to be a newer addition, they don't have as many options to choose from just yet, but that's okay. I'll take what I can get here. The first option I want to take a look at today is called the Hartley Line Modular Home, and it has a footprint of 528 square feet. At first glance, it's clear they've given the Hartley Line a modern look with a monoslope roof. One thing people comment on quite frequently is when a home doesn't have eaves. It seems maybe the lack of overhang makes them uneasy. No, that is not the case here. The dimensions of the home are 12 feet wide by 44 feet long, and the dimensions of the roof are 14 feet wide by 46 feet long, making for a 1-foot overhang all the way around. Good start. It is. The description says, introducing the Hartley Line Modular Home. This thoughtfully designed tiny home features a main bedroom that comfortably fits a king bed and a second bedroom for a queen bed. The interior is adorned with white cabinetry, butcher block veneer countertops, and black hardware throughout. The temperature is controlled with a dual zone mini split heating and cooling system and electric wall heaters that can be controlled with a mini split Wi-Fi controller for convenience. I want to take it back to the outside momentarily because the Hartley has something that's less than common. This home has 2 entrances. The first is into the kitchen living space area and the second is into the main bedroom. I like this if and only if they're planning a 44-foot deck that runs the entire length of the home, but would likely opt out of the exterior bedroom door if the budget only allowed for, say, a set of steps. I think this is an all or nothing situation. An exterior door is deluxe in a bedroom if it goes goes out to an outdoor space. Bonus points for a hot tub. Inside, what we're dealing with here is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, and the way they have it set up is with a bedroom on either end. What I like about this setup, as I've said before in other videos, is it eliminates space designated to halls, which, let's be honest, can be a waste of space. The model shown has a corner kitchen with plenty of cabinet space for the size of the home and a pantry. The kitchen is open to the living room, so the entire middle of the home is likely going to feel quite roomy. Bringing up the floor plan, the way they have this home set up, the main entrance is right around the middle of the home into the kitchen through a set of double doors. Go in these doors and you'll find yourself in the kitchen. Then to the right is the living room and finally the second bedroom. Heading the other direction, it goes kitchen, then laundry. The laundry is in line with the bathroom, which has a sink, toilet, and wait, where's the shower? The plan doesn't show a tub or shower, but looking in the mirror of one of the bathroom pics, the shower head of what looks to be a tub shower is visible. Nobody panic. The laundry area shows even more storage. They've got a combo unit, and look at that, a counter for one to fold one's ginch. Gotta love it. The final space in the Hartley line modular is the bedroom, and it shows the exterior door, a window on the side wall, and another larger window on the end wall. Nice place, right? But let's see what else they've got going on over at Mint. I have a feeling the approach they may take with their modular plans is to take their tiny home or park model plans and build them as modulars. I can't confirm that. It's just a hunch. With that in mind, I'm going to show you another option that they're currently running in their tiny home line for 2 reasons. Number 1, I think the exterior looks awesome. Number 2, I think they're fairly new to modulars, so they don't have a huge collection of eye candy to look through yet, and people get fussy if I show too many renderings. My favorite exterior currently being offered from Mint is called the Onyx. What they're running here is metal exterior siding and roof with an aluminum faux wood feature wall, and it looks awesome. This model is smaller than the Hartley at 257 square feet, but that's okay because not everybody wants the same thing. Write that down. The description says, "Welcome to the Onyx Edition, the perfect choice for those looking for a contemporary and stylish living experience." Couldn't agree more. Stylish is an understatement. This wouldn't be my first choice for floor plan, but this exterior or similar may be able to be applied to the Hartley, and then you get the best of both worlds. The dimensions of the Onyx are 30 feet long by 8.5 feet wide, and the way they have it set up, the entrance is on the end with the covered porch. I like how they've got windows in the door as well as windows above for any big important views that one might be trying to see. Inside the Onyx, the living room is at the front and it's open to the kitchen. One side of the kitchen has upper cabinets with a microwave and lowers with the sink, a cooktop, and an oven. The lower cabinets are dark with a butcher block counter that looks slick. On the other side of the kitchen, they've got another set of upper and lower cabinets beside a stainless steel fridge. I feel like this is a lot of kitchen for the size, which people generally like. At the back of the Onyx, they've got the bathroom complete with a sink, toilet, shower, and a space for a stacking washer dryer. Some of you might be sitting there thinking, well, that's super, but where am I going to sleep? It's a great question. The Onyx is lofted. There's a ladder heading up above the kitchen on the fridge side of the home, and in the loft they've got a skylight, more storage, and a window on either side. For such a small footprint, this is a pretty cool model for people looking for a tiny home under 300 square feet. Before I wrap this thing up, I am going to get into their prices. Keep in mind, prices can and usually do change, but will be accurate at the time of posting this video. The prices are listed in both Canadian and US dollars, so I'll put the USD somewhere on the screen. The Hartley has a base price of $213,930, and the Onyx has a base price of $157,900, both not including delivery. Mint Tiny House Company is a prefab home builder located in Vancouver that is entering into the world of modular ADUs. They now have modulars available on their website in British Columbia, but I don't think it'll be long till they add more areas to that list. I'm always interested to see new options available in the modular space, so I will be following along with what they're up to and posting updates right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like prefab home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next